If you want to add a line in CapCut PC, this is a quick and easy way to do it. And in this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can add clean lines to your edit in just a few clicks. This is useful if you want to create separators, underline text, build simple graphics, or add a more polished look to your video. And before we get started, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple CapCut tips and editing tutorials. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open your project in CapCut PC. Make sure you're inside the editor and ready to work on the timeline. Once your project is loaded, look at the top menu and click on Stickers. This is where CapCut keeps a lot of graphic elements, including shapes you can use in your edit. After that, go to the left sidebar and click on Shapes. When the Shapes panel opens, scroll through the available options until you find the line shape. You should be able to see it clearly in the list. Now hover your mouse over the line shape and you'll notice a plus icon appear. Click that plus icon and CapCut will immediately add the line to your project. Once it's added, you can move it, resize it, and adjust it to fit your design. You can place it under text, use it as a divider, or position it anywhere you need a simple line element. If you want, you can also keep adjusting the line until it matches the look of your video perfectly. And that's all there is to it. Adding a line in CapCut PC is fast, simple, and very useful once you know where to find it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more CapCut tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.